Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take AI. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change color on Picsart. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Picsart app first and make sure you are logged into it. A picture you'd like to change color, and over here in the bottom, we'll be able to see this effects option. If we tap on this, we'll see another option that is color, and we won't be able to see it right now because this cannot be screenshot and screen recorded. We'll be able to see a color replace option. Simply tap on that and change the color as per your choice. Here I am changing the sky color and save it, and it will be done. If you want to see it, over here in my gallery I can show the color changed. So here it is. We can see the sky color is changed. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.